Welcome, students. In the last video, we tried to understand a little more about Ruskin Bond. I'm sure most of you would have read some novels or stories written by Ruskin Bond. As we all know, he is a very famous or prolific writer of in English for Indian readers, and he has won acclaim worldwide for his work in English literature. So, the story Adventures of Toto is based on the experiences of people who keep animals as pets. It shows that not all animals can adapt themselves to human way of life. It requires a great deal of patience and skill to train the animals to acquire non-destructive behavior, which is very much unlike for a monkey, because monkey's innate nature is fidgety and restlessness. So in the story, the narrator's grandfather was fond of keeping different kinds of pets. One day he bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver for rupees 5. Its name was Toto. It was a mischievous small monkey. At first his pranks were amusing. The family members enjoyed these pranks, but with the passage of time, his mischiefs became wilder. He broke many things in the house, and at last, grandfather realized that he could not keep Toto at home any longer. So he sold Toto back to the Tonga driver for the sum of 3 rupees. So we get to answer some of the questions. Why did grandfather decide to buy Toto? Grandfather decided to buy Toto probably at the first sight of Toto would have really attracted his attention. And also, since he was an animal lover who didn't like the way this animal, this creature was kept by a Tonga driver, tied and just had a trough in front of him. Toto, how to describe Toto? Toto had very attractive looks. His eyes were bright, teeth were pearly white, and anyone who could, the sight of this cute looking baby monkey would scare any Anglo Indian lady. And he also had a very sweet long tail which acted as the third hand for him. So wherever his hands, his real hands, two hands could not reach, his tail would easily slide in and do the needful. Why was Toto's presence kept as a secret? Uh, Toto's presence probably was kept as a secret as the grandmother was a little, she did not have, or maybe probably she did not have the similar fondness towards animals as the grandfather had. And that too, a monkey in the house, probably the very idea of having a monkey in the house would have really driven her to madness. So, to avoid such reaction from the grandmother, probably the Toto's presence was kept as a secret. So, grandfather wanted to buy some time, and he thought he would wait for the grandmother to be in good mood, and then he would reveal the secret. Did they underestimate Toto? Probably yes, because for earlier they thought that he would be very happy in a grandfather's house and would behave like a nice monkey staying in the tides hidden. but that did not happen. He, within hours, he really showed his presence. He tore the wallpaper, shredded the narrator's blazer. So probably they underestimated Toto. Was there any need to release Toto? Probably yes, they would have released Toto because monkey's innate nature is restless. He is fidgety. You cannot control a monkey unless you tie him tightly, right? So of course it would have been better they would have just left him in the natural environment, maybe hopping from trees to trees, which is very much the liked by any monkey. Why was grandfather pleased with Toto's performance? uh, Grandfather was, since he was an animal lover and he really wanted at heart to keep this baby monkey, so he said he is very much behaving like Toto is very much behaving like a proper monkey, so we have to give this little creature some time so that it adapts itself to the new environment. Now we have learned something about the uh, mm, main characters. Toto is actually the protagonist here. Okay, and grandfather is also an important character here. He's very fond of animals. He has shown an unusual love for animals. We all agree nobody wants to keep a monkey as a pet, but he has done that, right? So that is there, and he is also at the same time kind hearted because he could not see an animal living in such unnatural environment, so he thought of bringing or buying the monkey even at a high price in those days. He's of course wise and caring because he is giving the necessary care to the animal. Toto is definitely cute and charming because he has been able to attract the people all around. He is agile but at the same time mischievous and impish, and he has bothered everyone at home with his restlessness and fidgety. He has been fidgeting. He had tone so many things. So in other words, nobody was able to control Toto so far. So we have learned a few phrases and words in this so far. Quick and wicked, delicacy, to a peg fastened into the wall, wrenched in shreds, ornamental. So it will be a good activity if you all would try to frame sentences. So till the next class, bye then.